The latte makeup is a huge trend right now, but let's try and do an espresso makeup. For this look, the skin is demi-matte and sheer, so I'm going in with a skin tint. The focus is all on the eyes, but we want the skin to be even. A lot of bronzing and contouring as well. I'm only gonna bake under my eyes and around the T-zone, and then on the rest of the face I'm just dusting some powder. But don't apply too much because you still want to see this radiance, like a demi-matte finish. And then I'm going over with a contour shade. This is Back to Bronze by L'Oreal Paris, and I'm using this as a blush. Now the fun part. For the eyes, we're gonna start with a brown pencil. Just going for half of my lid, and then just blend it over the lid. Same for the lower lid. Then take some cocoa shade eyeshadow, and then set this and bring it up to your brow. Then you're gonna need a black pencil. Create a flick at the end of your eye and just contour your eye. Add it to your waterline too. And then we're gonna smudge it. Now we're gonna need a lot of mascara. For the lips, I want the brown shade, so I'm using my brow pencil and the nude lipstick. And this is it, the Espresso Makeup. What do you think? Would you try it?